How to edit category on Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Outlook. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top right here, click on this settings option, go down and click on view all Outlook settings. Now click on general, click categories. Now on this page you will be able now to edit your category. For example, this blue category, click here. Now you can change the text, the color and everything. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.